Hello friends, welcome. This is the second video of 2 Minutes with Art series. I think you liked it and waiting for the next part to work out on the skill development, learning the fundamentals. You must have noticed that I started from the most basic techniques, and I believe you are taking my useful tips to enhance your work method. Today we will finish the tree drawing that we started in previous episode. This is the very simple drawing with light shading work. Pencil study with detailed shading work is different level of skill that we can do later. In previous video, we have done the tree trunk, the lower part of the tree with its texture, light and shade, and shadow on the ground. Today we are going to do the upper part of the tree, that means leaves. The texture will be different and the expression will be different. We will use the same pencils, but the effect will be of leaves, showing the light part and dark part according to the direction of light. As I told earlier, the shading pencils are very soft. So we need to learn how to control the pressure on the pencil while working to create light tone and dark tone to bring the best result. The light is coming from right side. On that fact, the leaves opposite to light will have darker tone. So we will apply a overall shading effect with light pencil strokes. When working on leaves, we need to be careful about the trunk part which is already done. My hand resting on it will smudge the effect and the texture will be destroyed. So I will keep a white sheet on it to protect the complete part of sketching and carry on the leaves part. As I continue doing the work, I can move the sheet of paper as per requirement to avoid unwanted smudging. While doing the leaves, I am also doing the branches to give it a natural look. At this moment, we need to take care about the strokes. For branch, strokes are different from the leaves. Regular practice will make us better on this aspect. Remember one thing, your very first drawing may not be that good, what we want. But don't leave your practice. That is the key point. One more thing I would like to tell, that pencil seems to be very simple tool, but it has magical results in different levels. We can do much more with this tool if we know and practice how to use it in different ways. Enjoy being with art, love your tools, explore your creative mind, and above all, don't miss this series. See you in the next video with a new lesson on pencil.